Today, we are talking about the best e-commerce tools for beginners. If you want to start online store, sell physical products, digital products, or even launch a small e-commerce business, the good news is that you no longer need a large team or technical skills to get started. There are many tools that help you to build a store, manage products, collect payments, send marketing emails, and automate business tasks. The challenge is knowing which tools are actually useful when you are just starting out. So in this video, we will look at some beginner friendly e-commerce tools that can help you to launch and grow your online business more easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on e-commerce software, because by using our description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first tool we should talk about is Shopify. For beginners, Shopify is one of the easiest ways to start an online store. The platform handles hosting, security, payments, product management, and store design from one dashboard. You can choose a template, you can add products, you can customize your store, and start selling without needing coding skills. This simplicity is one reason Shopify remains one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. Another useful tool is Ecommerce. WooCommerce works with WordPress and gives users more flexibility and control over their stores. While it is usually requires a little more setup compared to Shopify, many business owners like WooCommerce because of its customization options and large plugin ecosystem. If you already have a WordPress website, WooCommerce can be a very powerful choice. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is focusing only on getting customers and forgetting to build an email list. Now, let's talk about the email marketing. Tools like MailChimp make it easier to collect subscriber emails, send newsletters, create promotions, and automate customer follow ups. Email marketing often becomes one of the highest return marketing channels for e commerce businesses. Another important category is design. This is where Canva becomes extremely useful. Canva allows beginners to create product images, social media graphics, promotional banners, advertisement, and marketing materials without professional design experience. Good visuals can make a big difference when customers are deciding whether to purchase a product. Now, let's talk about the automation. As your business grows, repetitive tasks start taking up more time. Automation tools like Zapier that can connect different apps and automate workflows. For example, when a customer places an order, you can automatically update spreadsheets, send notifications, organize customer data, or trigger marketing actions. This helps save time and keeps your business running smoothly. Another important tool is analytics. Many beginners make decisions based on guesses instead of data. Tools like Google Analytics help you to understand where visitors come from, which pages perform best, and how customers interact with your store. This information can help you to improve conversions and make smarter business decisions. Now let's talk about customer support. As your store grows, customer questions will increase. Tools like Tidio that can add live chat to your website and help you communicate with your customer more efficiently. Fast responses often improve customer satisfaction and increase the trust. Another useful tool for product research and SEO is SEMrush. If you want people to find your products through search engine, then keyword research becomes important. SEMrush can help you identify what customers are searching for and provide ideas for content that attracts potential buyers. The good news is that you do not need all of these tools on day one. Many beginners make the mistake of subscribing too many platforms before making their first sale. A better approach is starting with essentials: a store platform, a design tool, basic email marketing, and analytics that are often enough to get started. As your business grows, you can add automation, you can add advanced marketing tools, customer support system, and other software when they become necessary. The goal is keeping things simple while learning how e-commerce works. Overall, the best e-commerce tools are one that help you to save time, improve customer experience, and make running your business easier. That's it basically for today's video. I hope this video helped you to understand some of the best e-commerce tools for beginners, and which ones may help you to start your online business. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.